Namaste. We, the students of Sanskrit of Sri Kanika Parameshwari Arts and Science College for Women, are wishing you a very happy Krishna Janmashtami, you all. Let's start the video with a small intro of what is Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami, also known simply as Janmashtami or Gokulashtami, is an annual Hindu festival that celebrates the birth of Krishna, the eighth avatar of Vishnu. Who is Lord Krishna? Krishna, one of the most widely revered and most popular of all Indian divinities, worshipped as the eighth incarnation of the Hindu god Vishnu and also a supreme god in his own right. Krishna became the focus of numerous bhakti cults which have over the centuries produced a wealth of religious poetry, music, and painting. The basic sources of Krishna's mythology are the epic Mahabharata and its 5th century CE appendix, the Harivamsha and the Puranas. They related how Krishna was literally black or dark as a cloud. Life of Lord Krishna. Life of Lord Krishna. Krishna was born into a Yadava's clan, the son of Vasudeva and Devaki, who was the sister of Kamsa, the wicked king of Madura in modern Uttar Pradesh. A voice from the sky. Oh Kamsa, very happily you are driving your sister after her wedding. The eighth child born to this sister of yours will slay you. That will be your end. Kamsa, hearing a prophecy that he would be destroyed by Devaki's children and slayed her 6 children. So when the 7th child came, Vasudeva managed to smuggle it out and replaced it with stillborn child that they found elsewhere. This child smuggled across the Yamuna river to Gokula and gave it to Rohini, another wife of Vasudeva. The name of this child was Balarama. When the 8th child, that is Krishna, was born, Kamsa wouldn't allow anybody because something might happen. He put a trusted aide, a lady who is and who was related to him, whose name was Putana, a midwife, and she was supposed to watch. When the child was born, she would hand it over to Kamsa to kill the child. Then the child born, a miracle happened that doors and prison opened by themselves and all the guards fell asleep. Krishna was smuggled across the Yamuna river to Gokula, and Nanda's wife Yashoda had also given birth to a girl child. Vasudeva exchanged the children and brought the baby girl back to the prison. Nanda and Yashoda raised Balarama and Krishna happily. The child Balarama, as he grew up, he became like a giant, and there are a number of stories about his strength and the feats that he performed. The child Krishna was adored for his mischievous pranks. He also performed many miracles and slew demons. As a youth, the cowherd Krishna became renowned as a lover, the sound of his flute prompting the gopis to leave their homes to dance ecstatically with him in the moonlight. His favorite among them was the beautiful Radha. Radha and Krishna love story is an exemplary for teens where he says marriage is a materialistic. Furthermore, Radha was loved with Krishna so much that she believed Krishna was God and she used to love him as a devotee. Swakiya Rasa, that is, married relationship, and Parakiya Rasa, a relationship signified with eternal mental love. The Gaudiya tradition focuses upon the Parakiya Rasa as the highest form of love, wherein Radha and Krishna shared thoughts even through separation. Lord Krishna's flute was enough to mesmerize her because she was madly in love with him. Radha Krishna together has not only taught us to love each other but also taught that with love is necessary to have patience, power of sacrifice, and strength to support your love. At length, Krishna and his brother Balarama returned to Mathura to slay the wicked Kamsa. Afterwards, finding the kingdom unsafe, Krishna led the Yadavas to the western court of Khataiwar and slayed the wicked king and established his court at Dwaraka. He married the princess Rukmini and took other wives as well. Krishna refused to bear arms in the great war between the Kauravas, sons of Dhritarashtra, the descendant of Kuru, and the Pandavas, sons of Pandu, but he offered a choice of his personal attendants to one side and the lone of his army to the other. The Pandavas chose the former, and Krishna thus served as charioteer for Arjuna, one of the Pandavas' brother, and won the war against Kauravas. On his return to Dwaraka, a brawl broke out one day among the Yadavas' chief, in which Krishna's brother and son were slain. As the god sat in the forest lamenting, a huntsman, mistaking him for a deer, shot him in his one vulnerable spot, the heel, killed Krishna. Krishnashtakam.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
O Lord, the son of Vasudeva, who killed the Kamsa, maternal uncle, and Chanura, wrestler in the Kamsa's court, for their wicked actions. Who is the immense joy of Devaki, Krishna's mother. O Krishna, I bow to you, the Guru of the world.
अतसि पुष्पशङ्काशं हारनूपुरशोभितं रत्नकङ्कणकेयूरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
The one who looks great with Atasi flowers, blue flax flowers, who shines resplendent with the jewels like harams and anklets, who wears a bracelet like kankana made with precious gems. I bow to you, Lord Krishna, the teacher of the world.
कुटिलालकसंयुक्तं पूर्णचन्द्रनिभाननं विलसत्कुण्डलधरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
The one who with the curly hair, whose face looks like a full moon, who is adorned with great looking earrings, I bow to you, Lord Krishna, the Guru of the world.
मन्दारगन्धसंयुक्तं चारुहासं चतुर्भुजं बर्हि पिञ्चावचूडाङ्गं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
The one who has fragrance of the pastes of mandara flowers, with a gentle smile and four hands, wearing the peacock feathers on his heads, I bow to you, O Lord Krishna, the Guru of the world.
उत्पुल्लपद्मपत्राक्षं नीलजीमूतसन्निभं यादवानां शिरोरत्नं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Oh, the one whose eyes looks like bloomed lotus petals, whose body resembles the dark blue clouds. Who is the crest gem, greatest one among the Yadava clan? Lord Krishna, I bow to you, the Guru of the world.
रुक्मिणीकेलिसंयुक्तं पीताम्बरसुशोभितम् अवाप्ततुलसीगन्धं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
The Lord, who is engaged in playing with Rukmini, adorned and resplendent with Pidambaras, silk garments woven with gold, who attracts to the scent of Tulasi, I bow to you, Lord Krishna, Guru of the world.
गोपिकानां कुशद्वन्द्व कुङ्कुमाङ्कितवक्षसं श्रीनिकेतं महेश्वासं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
One who is embraced with the gopikas, by whose body is smeared with kumkum. The Lord, in whom the Lakshmi resides, the one who has a big bow. O Krishna, I bow to you, the Guru of the world.
श्रीवत्शाङ्कं महोरस्कं वनमालाविराजितं शङ्खचक्रधरं देवं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Having the mark of Srivasta, mark of Devi Lakshmi, who gracefully enjoys in himself, looking great with the garlands of flowers. O Krishna, holding the conch and the discus, I bow to you, the Guru of the world. Benefits of chanting Krishnashtakam.
कृष्णाष्टकम् इदं पुण्यं प्रातरुद्धाय यः पठेत् कोटिजन्मकृतं पापं स्मरणात् कस्य नश्यति.
The one who recites this Krishnashtakam early in the mornings will get immense punya, and the sins done in his previous births will also be destroyed by reciting.